Cat and Bug, it's playtime. It's playtime, hooray! Let's pretend that you're a princess cat. Well, you can wear a gold crown and a pink cape. And you can wave a sparkly wand. Isn't this fun, cat? Well, now I will protect you from dragons with my sword and shield. Ta-da! Wait. What is it, cat? I'm not having fun, Bug. Then let's pretend that you're a pirate. Well, you can wear an eye patch and a pirate hat. Now I will protect you from sea monsters with my sword and shield. Ta-da! Wait. What is it, cat? I'm still not having fun, but I want to use my sword and shield. And I want to be an astronaut. Then you need a helmet. Yes! And a spacesuit. Yes! Now I will protect you from aliens with my sword and shield. Good idea. Ta-da! The end.